Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to discover new music on Apple Music. So to do this you have just to go to Apple Music, and there is multiple ways to discover the new music on Apple Music. The first one is to go to New, click on New icon on the bottom of the screen, and as you can see you will find here all the latest releases and albums from multiple artists, and Apple Music will try to give you like music from artists that you are following or artists similar to the artist that you are following. So you will find here hundreds of new released music, or you can also browse by genre. Click on it and you will find here also a lot of music that you can go and look to, the new ones, the new releases, the trends. You will find a lot of good music. And you can also go to radio to discover like interviews and a lot of songs, releases by DJs, and a lot of good things. You can go to library, and here you will find the music that you downloaded and everything. And on your home you can go also and look for the new music. You will find here new music. And like I said, Apple will try always to give you new things, new music related to the songs that you like. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next